Sima Nimwal is asking, Oni jebar, prepositions in Korean? Lucky you, we got your answer.
answers.
Welcome to the Ask Us Anything Q&A series with K-Style Yo. Coffee with
인형.
and E-Man. Cheers.
We'll go over some Korean basic grammar today, which includes prepositions. There's several of them. 위, 아래, 옆, 뒤, 사이, 안, 밖. And how they're actually used in real life phrases with photos. So now let's talk about each meaning. First one, 위, on top of or above. But when I say on top of, don't worry about differentiating how I'm gonna say on and off in Korean. It's just together, okay? So 위 is on top of and above. And second one, 아래, or it could be 밑 in Korean. That's under or below. 옆, which is side, either side. But if I want to say left side, how would you say?
왼쪽,
Right side?
오른쪽.
Good. And
50 chance.
behind, 뒤.
뒤.
And in between, 사이.
사이.
사이 has different meaning also. It could be relationship between two people or something like that. 안, inside. 밖, outside. Do you want to repeat? Those of you who are watching this video, please repeat as well. So you can start.
위. 아래. 옆. 뒤. 사이. 안. And 밖 or 바깥?
바깥. Oh, I forgot to mention. Good. 바깥. That's also outside.
Oh.
Good. So when using these prepositions, we tend to use these particles after each word, either 에 or 에서, 로 or 으로. But I'm just gonna simply use 에 in this video. If you wanna learn more about these particles, I'm gonna talk about it at the end of the video, which videos you can take a look at. But in this video, just let's simply use 에. So grammar structure, noun plus preposition plus particle, that order. Noun space, actually. Noun space, preposition plus particle. So what I mean by that is, let's say something is on top of something, okay? Let's say noun 1 is on top of noun 2. In English, in Korean, noun 1, noun 2 on top of, and verb.
No!
Okay, no, I got it.
So don't worry about the noun 1. Actually, just focus on top of something else, right? So in English, it's reversed. On top of something else. In Korean, something else on top of. You understand?
Reversed order.
Reverse order. And please note that on top of something else, in Korean, something else on top of, right? But don't add particle to something else. Do you understand what I mean? Because you're already using particle with preposition.
No, I see.
Because I've seen students making mistakes.
Adding particles to everything.
So let's talk about examples with photo. The first one.
She placed a cherry tomato on top of the turkey.
칠면조 위에 체리 토마토를 얹었어요. So I'm gonna show you in color coded to make it easier for you. 칠면조 위에, 칠면조 is turkey. 위에, on top of. 에 is particle, right? I didn't add particle to 칠면조. 칠면조 위에 체리 토마토를 얹었어요. It's confusing, right?
I didn't know about the translation of turkey.
You're focusing on that.
That's where I'm at.
Yeah. So the second example.
The book is under the hand. So be the book, hand, under. Or
Oh, good.
under is.
Oh, good, good. 책은 손 아래에 있어요. So here is another note. In English, you may see be verb is, but in Korean, we often use exist, which is 있다 verb, when it comes to location. 손은 책 아래에.
아래에.
No, is it?
책
Yeah, 아래.
아래에.
Yeah. 책은 손 아래. I reverse. Because I'm thinking about the picture. 책은 손 아래에 있어요. The next one.
The mug is next to the pumpkin.
머그컵은 호박 옆에 있어요. 머그컵은 호박 옆에 있어요. Mug exists next to the pumpkin, right? I think here is the trick. If you're confused, remove the main noun and main verb. Separate them, right? So mug exists next to pumpkin. Then mug is the subject noun. Exist, main verb. Next to pumpkin, you just flip them.
Yeah, it would have helped if I would have seen the definitions of the words first, because then when I'm reading it, sometimes I'm assuming things.
If you want to say right side from, the mug is right side from the pumpkin.
Or to the right of.
To the right of, okay. So in English, you can have variations, right? But in Korean, you just say 오른쪽에. 머그컵은 호박 오른쪽에 있어요.
그 컵은 호박 오른쪽에 있어요.
Good. Next one, behind.
The mom is standing behind her daughter.
엄마는 딸 뒤에 섰어요. 엄마는 mother with subject particle. 섰어요 is stand, right? But it's conjugated to past tense, but it has stood. Or you can think of it like that. It's standing in this case. 딸 뒤에, behind daughter. You gotta flip. 딸 뒤에. 네? 엄마는 딸 뒤에 섰어요.
The vase is between the pumpkins.
So the vase exists, right? Between pumpkins. So you gotta flip pumpkin between in Korean. Okay? 꽃병은 호박 사이에 있어요. 꽃병은 호박 사이에 있어요. The next.
Pumpkins are contained inside the basket. Sorry, I should say it again. Pumpkins are contained inside the basket.
What?
It just sounds really funny. Like there are pumpkins in the basket.
So pumpkin subject noun are contained. Obvious verbs goes at the end of the sentence. Inside the basket, you gotta flip.
Man, that's a huge basket.
Basket inside. 바구니 안에. Okay? So pumpkin, 호박은 바구니 안에 들어있어요. 들어있다 means to be contained. Okay? 호박은 바구니 안에 들어있어요. Next one.
One pumpkin is outside the basket.
So one pumpkin is the main subject. Is verb at the end. 있다 verb. Outside the basket. So you gotta flip. 바구니 바깥에 있어요. 호박은 호박 하나는 actually one pumpkin 호박 하나는 바구니 바깥에 있어요. Does it make sense to you now?
Yeah, it does. It does.
Yeah, okay. It's kind of tricky. You gotta keep practicing. That's why we have your homework. So the first homework.
The paper is on top of the plate.
And how about second homework?
The dessert is inside the fridge.
Oh, you're thinking of something right
Yes,
now.
it's the weekend.
Dessert is inside the fridge, the second homework. If this video was useful to you in any way, make sure to give it a like and share this video with your friends and families. If you have any questions, leave them comment down below for any future Q&A videos because we're gonna pick out your best question. If you're interested in finding out the difference between 에 and 에서, check out this video here. If you're curious to find out about 5 meanings of 우 or 으로, check out this video. Thanks for watching, then see you guys next time. Bye
Bye-bye.
bye.